everyone, and welcome to our video project updates. We're excited to show you our progress we made on our simple calculator with offline voice command functionality. In this video, we'll walk you through the current state of our project, including what's still in progress and the key feature and some of the design change we've decided on. For this discussion, let me introduce you to each member and their role. So my role is program manager and lead programmer. I am Makatuon Abdul Hazib, and my assistant programmer is Bunghanoy Ryan Boy. My UI designer is Fabri GB and Bindiho Wale, and the tester will be me.
So let's walk through the current user interface of the app. When you open the app, you'll see the main calculator screen where you can manually enter numbers and perform calculations. Currently, the functionality for voice commands is being developed, and we're in the process of adding the button that will allow users to activate voice commands. Once implemented, you'll be able to click the microphone button and say commands like add 5 and 10 or subtract 3 from 8. The app will process the voice input offline and display the result. While we're still working on adding the voice button command, the core functionality for the calculation is already in place and working smoothly. The design is still evolving as well, but we're making good progress. So our goal for this project is to create user-friendly calculator app that performs basic arithmetic calculator using voice commands. The unique aspect of this app is that it uses voice recognition, meaning voice recognition, for instance, you are busy entertaining your customers, or there are too many of them, it is way efficient to just say it to the calculator that has an AI recognition to calculate the total price using voice command.
So let's talk about the scope and limitation. The scope of our project includes developing a simple calculator app that supports basic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, using both manual input and voice recognition. Currently, the app is fully functional for this operation, but we are still working on refining the voice recognition accuracy. Additionally, we're working on designing a custom icon and finalizing the app overall design, including color choices. Regarding limitation, as of now, the voice recognition works for basic arithmetic command, but we are planning to add more advanced feature and improve its accuracy in future.
For design and changes and icon development, as we continue to develop the app, we've decided to make some design changes to improve the overall look and feel. Currently, we're in the process of designing a custom icon that will represent our app. Since this is still work in progress, we'll be showing you an earlier version of the icon here. In addition to the icon, we've also decided to update the color scheme. We're experimenting with different color palettes to ensure the app is not only for functional but also visually appealing and easy to use. These design changes are still in progress, and we plan to finalize them soon based on user feedback and testing.